evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Friday. Tomorrow's 4th of July. 250 for America. It's freaking awesome. And of course, we'll be working on the 44 Sedan Deluxe like we do every day. Well, lots of things have changed since the last time we talked, and I want to run through them with you. So we're going to start here. The grill is installed. We built the grill and then installed it and managed to not screw anything up, which is incredibly hard to not screw up because it doesn't want to fit between here. You have to pull the fenders out of the way a little bit, and they're both, it's a shit show. But we got it on. This is the plate my dad made. This is just fingerprints. That's all that is. But this is the plate he made, and this looks a little different than most 40 Fords. He didn't like how there was always a gap here on 44 Deluxes. And so he made his own plate. You can buy these plates in chrome and everything else. But he made it and then put this lip on it that fits down and over, which changes kind of the look of the whole front, which is kind of cool. So he's over there right now. It's what you hear in the background. He's looking for the hood latch so we can get all of this hooked up and the hood down. What else has happened? So grill, that was a big piece. Running board covers came in. This is one running board bolted on. It's not completely tight. Up here, I got to finish that up. I fought this son of a bitch like you wouldn't believe, but we got it. It made me bleed. You can believe it? Look at that right there. It got me. But long story short, running board's on over here. Still got to do the other side, but the cover is on. I did order the black Volkswagen covers that go here with the aluminum nuts for the wipers for now. We won't have wipers for Louisville, but that's fine. A little rain axe will be good, but it'll at least clean all this up. There's a black plastic piece that goes over this nut, and then there's like an acorn style nut that goes on here, a little 10 mil. So those are coming from J-Bugs, because if you didn't know, this is the wiper system out of a Volkswagen Super Beetle. Kind of cool, because we had one at the time and Ron took it out of it, and here we are, and made it work. So running board covers, running board, that was a challenge as well. Here's the driver's side. The Ventique covers fit really well. The it comes with cement, contact cement, and basically you have to do a whole lot, and I'll go through that on another day, to get them on, but they fit really good. And so we're really happy with that. So tomorrow we'll be bolting this one on. We'll be wet sanding and buffing the mirrors right here, and then assembling them, and then installing them, and then wiring them up, because they have turn signals in them, and we want to make that work. We've already run all the wires. Hey, there's some tape I missed. And so we're going to be doing that. We will also be wet sanding and buffing the headlight rings as well. You can see there's a little bit of stuff in them. We need to wet sand and buff those. They'll look fantastic when we're done. Tonight, I'm going to go ahead and paint these screws black so that that's dry for me tomorrow. And I can go ahead and put them on. Yeah, just bolting it all up, finishing it up. Look how tight this is now. This thing doesn't budge. It's a freaking Tiger tank. So, yeah. Hood looks great. This car looks fantastic outside. Like, for real. Like, it's not, no shit. It looks great outside. It looks a little cloudy in here. And there's handprints all over it right now, of course. But it's really coming together. I'm liking how the fender welting comes down into the rubber. Everything kind of comes together pretty well here. I'm liking this. Now this gap here will go away as soon as I tighten it down. It's, out that far. But yeah, boys, we're rocking over here. So yeah, just continue to put this thing together. We're running out of parts inside the house, which is a good thing. So the only things left to paint are the rear fenders. That's all that's left. Everything else is painted on here, so on and so forth. A little bit of wet sanding and buffing to do here and there, but we are looking really good for Louisville. Because, again, this car runs and drives great. You can jump in this car and probably drive it to fucking California and have zero issues. Just change the oil, we can get there. So that's the good news. We just had to make it pretty, which we're pretty good at. So anyways, guys, if you're watching this, please like and subscribe. I'm posting a ton of shorts. Not so many big videos at the moment, just because my camera, excuse me, my camera memory card is full. I've got all kinds of videos for you guys that I've got to get home and get to Lizzie so she can edit them for us and get them posted. So be on the lookout for some videos coming. They're going to be kind of older stuff, us wet sanding and buffing the body, assembly, that kind of thing. Those are the videos I have on there at the moment. But as soon as I get that card back, we'll be getting right back into all of this stuff. So with the big camera and all that. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate every one of you. And hey, we hit 7,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for helping us do that. Again, if you're watching this and you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. Look what we're doing. Look at this. If you're looking at this, you're a car guy and you know this is pretty cool. Even if you don't like 40 Fords and you hate Fords, it's still pretty cool. Not to mention we've got lots of Chevys and Chryslers laying around, so don't you worry. But yeah, help us out. So now we're trying to get to 8,000. So let's see where we get. So if you're watching this, haven't already done it, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the morning for more 1944 two-door sedan deluxe.